Welcome back to the Index. I'm Megan with MongoDB's Developer Relations team. Let's talk about some of the cool things that happened in April. But before I dive in, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. Also, remember that you can learn more about everything I share in this video and beyond by clicking the link in the description below. MongoDB is heading out on a world tour to bring the best content directly to you, with our next stop in NYC and additional cities being added soon, including Milan, Berlin, Paris, Mexico City, London, Stockholm, Austin, and Singapore. Use code COMMUNITY50 for 50% off your registration. Let's move over to Developer Center, where we've got tons of new articles and tutorials waiting for you. Apurva published part 2 of her RAG series. Anaya is talking about how to model your documents for vector search. Maxime is discussing microservices architecture with Java, Spring, and MongoDB. Check out this tutorial from Jorge about HTTP basics with Go. He's got a video on it too. Pavel's got a tutorial on building a rental listing application with MongoDB and Symfony. And Tim's discussing using Azure Kubernetes services for Java Spring Boot microservices. Moving on to YouTube, Luce will show you how to get started with Atlas Vector Search and .NET Blazor. Maxime is talking about how to smoothly upgrade to the MongoDB Java Sync Driver 5.0, and Tim is talking about Atlas Data Federation with Azure Blob Storage. Don't forget to visit the Live tab to check out replays of our live streams and also see what we've got coming up next. Jesse and Maxime gave an introduction to client-side field-level encryption with Java. Jesse talked about the basics of AI and RAG and how to use them to build an AI chatbot. Shane and Pavel talked all about AI development with Hugging Face and MongoDB. Mark and Anaya sat down for a Python chat. Richmond and Shane discussed how to build a RAG system using Google's Gemma open model. And Michael and Ben spoke about the MongoDB AI chatbot framework. If you haven't already, learn more about what an AI stack is, the role that programming languages play, large language model frameworks, vector and operational databases, and much more. Lastly, be sure to check out relevant as-you-type suggestions in our solutions library. Add fast suggestions to your application, incorporating user context and domain-specific ranking factors. Next, let's talk about what our community has been up to. We want to celebrate community creator Mark Handy's achievement. He's now 5 times MongoDB Associate Developer Certified, having successfully passed the certification exams in all of the programming languages we offer: C#, Java, Node.js, PHP, and Python. Dive into our blog post to discover how Mark Handy conquered this self-imposed challenge and how he's sharing his knowledge gained with the community, and get inspired to start your own certification journey. Community champion Hans Peter continued his series on getting started with MongoDB and Quarkus with an article on connecting your Quarkus application to a fully managed MongoDB database instance. Community creator Ravinder authored his first tutorial on Developer Center, Atlas Online Archive, efficiently manage the data lifecycle. Finally, let's recap a few of our MongoDB user groups, or MUGs, which take place all over the globe. MUG leader Matt recently orchestrated his first meetup for the Austin community, diving into the world of building RESTful APIs backed by MongoDB aggregations at the MongoDB office. The session ignited enthusiasm as participants engaged in a hands-on workshop delving deep into aggregations. Guided by Matt and Sahib from MongoDB, the event sparked collaborative learning and vibrant networking opportunities, setting the stage for future dynamic gatherings. The React Dublin group and MongoDB user group joined forces for an engaging meetup. MongoDB creator Niall and MUG leader Suhani led the event. Rakesh discussed React server components, while Harshit explained MongoDB Atlas Vector Search. Burkay concluded with a talk on the significance of React in web development. The Lebanon MUG organized Social Node, crafting a comprehensive social media API with Node.js and MongoDB. This was a technical online workshop aimed at advancing participants' MongoDB and Node.js skills. Led by MUG leaders Ellie and Nazreen, the workshop focused on designing and building real business requirements into functional code, covering features like follow, unfollow, likes and reactions, friend request management, and post management. The 3-hour workshop provided valuable insights and practical learning opportunities for all of the participants. Have you visited our developer community forums yet? This is where developers of all kinds gather to talk about what they're building with MongoDB. They ask questions and provide support for each other. We've got all sorts of categories and tags that you can search by, whether you're interested in discussing .NET, Python, Golang, or a number of other topics. You'll also find product and driver announcements, user groups and events, and knowledge sharing through MongoDB University. There's so much more where this came from, so just scroll down and click the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss me the next time I drop by to say hello. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.